Alright, Yon World, so as y'all can see, we got the newer green screen. And this is how this works, right? You gotta pull out the slats, pull out these little stand slats, right? Add it like that. Take that, and then, woo-wee. This one big too. This one big. This what is this? Like a 65 inch? It's about it's longer than a 65 inch. I wonder how long. It's longer than a 65 inch. So. We got this from Amazon. I had a link in the description for this green screen. We about to turn it up, man. We about to turn it up to quality of YouTube videos. And then you pull this little lever back right here. It's a lever, right? And then you just pull it up. That's all you do. And you just pull it to the top. This mug gotta be like 6 something. 6'5". Yeah, this mug like 6'5". But it's the green screen, y'all. We about to turn it up, man. Yon World green screen. This mug tall. I got tall ceilings in this apartment I'm in. But this one almost big as the doorway. This one like 7 feet maybe. It's good, be like 7 feet. But yeah, this is my new green screen, y'all. I just wanted to show y'all this. I have a link in the description. That's how I look from the back, so I can see what it's like a projector. Yeah, and then to pull it down, you just push it. Just like that. Real portable. Real portable, y'all. So, yeah, I like this. I like this a lot. That newer. Yeah. I had a link, the Amazon link in the bio for y'all. Make sure y'all leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. It's your boy. I'm out. Peace.